Alright, so next on the agenda was getting this fitting, which is like a M12 by 125 for the feed. And then I bought a drain and the bolt holes are slightly off. So I just got to oval it a little bit on the inside. And then I measured with a rubber hose about how long of a feed line I would need. And I got it with a 90 on this end, so it's not all stressed out. Oh, and then I bought a stud kit right here because I only have like 2 of the exhaust bolts. I don't know what I did with them, but they're grody anyway, and it'll be easier to put the stud in and then hang the turbo and then put the nuts on. And then I removed the oil pressure dummy light thing and I put a, you can't really see it. Yeah, you can. I threaded that guy in there. I had it laying around 1/8 inch MPT to 4AN. Even though I read that this is BSPT or something like that, who cares? I just threaded that thing right in there. And I heard that log manifolds are terrible, but we don't plan on really going crazy with this thing. So it's going to stay how it is. We'll revisit that. Maybe we'll do a Sidewinder. And, but everyone's just breaking their Hondas all the time. So this one just needs to make turbo noises and not fold this little truck in half. And that's the goal. So that's the update. I got this PQI rail. It fits amazing. Put the fuel pressure guy on there. It came with that. I have some issues with my harness, unfortunately. The plugs, not a big deal. Thank you guys for recommending this. I got the VTC plugged in. I got this guy. I don't think this needs to be plugged in because it really didn't come with a plug for this. So that's a VTEC solenoid. I remember, from I did single cams, and then this, I don't know, and then this, you guys told me to plug in correctly. So, that's where I'm at. Obviously, like, someone's like, this is plugged in wrong. I want to keep it away from the throttle. It doesn't matter which side it's on. Chill. And then I've heard, like, I'm just going to RTV, like, all these holes that aren't threaded, silicone. And then my other issue is, did I buy the wrong harness here? I got this guy. I heard the Element engine and stuff is different, but I bought this harness off eBay. So this is the K20A2 adapter that ECU Masters sell. And then maybe I got the wrong engine harness. Maybe I could get another one to make it easy. Or should I just forget it and pin all these directly to the ECU itself? What do you guys think? Thanks. Bye.